Hello, welcome to iTasker Consulting Limited tutorial videos for using InSite. In every video, you will get an overview of the software, and you can download a demonstration version or the full version of the software at itasker.co.uk. For training, the product that will be used is InSite app. You should be able to find the shortcut of the software on your desktop or go to Program Files /itasker/InSite. It is recommended that the user copies training files to a training directory and also ensure that he has a dongle inserted into the computer with the relevant permissions. This tutorial will be about importing receivers information and RCBUFF data. For this training session, we'll be using the tutorial folder labeled Data Management and Configuration. First, you can double click on InSite to open it. Then you have this window that automatically opens with InSite. You can choose to either open a new project or open an existing project. Here we'll open a new project. Then the data visualizer window loads. To import receivers information, you can go on Projects, Edit Default Arrays, and then choose Receivers. Now you have this dialog box that opens. You'll have to click on Import from File. Then, as I said earlier on, the tutorial that we're going to use is Tutorial Data Management and Configuration, which you can find in the training course provided by Tasker for training sessions. And this file will be used to load receivers information. You have to note that for receivers information, the format of the file has to be in CSV or in SEN. Here we're going to use the CSV format. Then you click on Open. And you also have to make sure that the distance unit is in meters. Then you click on OK. Then all the receivers in the array will load. And you can see that we have 16 receivers in the array. Then you can click on Close, and the receiver's information has been loaded. Now to load in RCBUFF data, you click on Project, then Import and Manage Data. Then you have to select the type of project you're using. In here, since it's RCBUFF, you select RCBUFF. Then you have to make the appropriate selections. For this tutorial, the format type that we're going to use is 12-bit microseismic files. The extension type is .dat. The number of traces per event is 48. The data length is 496. The sampling time is 0.02. The time units is in milliseconds. The wave from start point is 1, and the wave from end point is 4096. Then you click on OK. Now you have to choose an import directory. And then we go back to the tutorial Data Management and Configuration. Select the RCBUFF folder. And click on Select. And all the RCBUFF data are going to load it. Now you have to create an ESX storage directory in which you're going to store your data. And click on Browse. And as I said here, we created a training directory. And then you create a new folder. ESX tutorial data management, for example. Then you choose that folder, you select it. Then you click on the yellow folder in the import directory. And the RCBUFF data available is going to appear in this box labeled Data Subdirectories and Files. Then you click on the folder and you click on Import. You have to wait until the data is imported into your project. Then it will appear in the project components. Then you can click on close. And all your components, well, here we have one component loaded, and all the events available in that component loaded in the data visualizer window. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for listening. And also don't forget to save your InSite project as a new file, or you can also click on auto save and choose a time interval on which you want to save it. Now, if you're unable to obtain the same results of this tutorial, you can contact Itasca and describe the problem you have encountered and the type of computer you are using. Thank you for listening.